for us so the girls can dance.
Pressure kayo ngayon, ano?
Guys, I'm holding Ilona's hand. I'm holding Ilona's hand.
The chorus?
And the girls will dance. 1, 2, 3.
I gotta know what to do, gotta find out the truth. The reason why.
Sige pa. Giling mo pa.
Timing naman ng konti.
Giling mo pa. Ay, ay.
Control, cause I know I'm gonna win the fight.
Diyan mo na. Wala pa. Hindi ko panalo.
Yeah. Ooh, yeah.
Energy sa tatlong to. Energy.
Alam mo. Sino panalo sa tingin nyo? Ilona, who do you think won?
Alam mo, parang
Isa pa. Todo bigay. Lona, todo bigay, Lona.
Okay.
Alam ko na, huwag sabay-sabay. Solo.
And 3, 2, 1.
Go!
I gotta know what to do, gotta find out the truth, gonna see the
Tsaka umarap.
reason why. Gotta go with the
Walang
flow,
makaka-picture
ain't
kay
got no
Lona.
control, cause I know I'm gonna win the fight. Screaming, yeah.
Hey! We got a winner.
Ooh, yeah. Oh my God. No, that's hard.
We got a winner. Is there another part? There's a higher part?
Who's the winner for you?
Do it, Ilona. Do it.
Oh my God. Okay.
Congratulations!
Congratulations.
You guys had really good energy, don't worry.
Okay.
High five nyo. High five nyo lang. Kaya nga may contest, di ba? Ilona, English ah.
Okay, so as
Englisher
promised...
ka ba, sir?
Ha?
Hello guys, welcome back to me.
Siya kanganta ng Win the Fight?
Alright, sige, mag-selfie muna kayo pero as promised, stay put ka lang dito. Bahala may ubos si Ilona dyan and then makakakuha ka ng
It's over
picture
my
with the
power.
Big 4. Okay.
Thank you, Ilona.
Please put your hands
singing
together
that
once
for us.
again for
Okay.
Ilona Garcia.
Na-late
Thank
ba
you.
ako? Hindi naman ako na-late ng
All right, welcome back once again here on ASAP Chill Out and
Hello.